Unlike many of the nearby resorts in Antalya, the Miracle Resort is open year-round for bookings, making it ideal for off-season travel if you're looking for a quieter vacation. However, there are some service limitations during winter, which I'll cover in the considerations section. Crucially, the Miracle is a true ultra all-inclusive property, which means all buffet meals, snacks, local alcoholic drinks, and even minibar beverages in your room are covered in the base rate. So you won't be handed a bill for cocktails or ice cream, even at the beach or pool. But it gets even better because there are 5 a la carte restaurants included with no extra fees, covering Turkish, seafood, Italian, Mexican, and international cuisine, as long as you reserve. One guest specifically noted they were shocked to find no added charges at the seafood restaurant, which is rare for this area. Access to sports courts, yoga, mini golf, and evening shows are also included. For families, even the kids' club and water slides come at no extra cost. If you want a resort where nearly everything is paid up front, and you're not nickel and dimed later, Miracle Lara holds up its end of the ultra all-inclusive label. You can book your stay and save 10% on all room types using the discount link in the top comment or description, or keep watching for more details. The Miracle Resort is located right on the beachfront in Lara, around 20 minutes from Antalya Airport, making it one of the easiest 5-star resorts in the area to reach. That short transfer time is a major advantage, especially for families or travelers arriving on late-night flights. Within walking distance, you'll find local supermarkets, a pharmacy, and casual cafes, making it easy to grab extras. For more variety, Terra City Mall and the Mall of Antalya are both under 20 minutes by car and offer a good mix of shops and international brands.
Miracle strikes a balance. It's close enough to the city to explore Antalya's historic center, but set far enough away to feel like a true beach retreat. As one reviewer put it, you get the best of both, the beach and the option to explore without spending an hour in a taxi. The most affordable option at Miracle Resort is the standard single room, typically priced at around $190 per person per night when you book via the link below, saving you 10%. It's a simple, comfortable choice for solo travelers or couples who don't need extra space and prefer to keep costs down while still enjoying all the resort's amenities. For families, the family suite offers more flexibility. It sleeps up to 6 guests with a king bed, 2 twins, and 2 trundles, allowing both adults and children to spread out across separate sleeping areas. At approximately $150 per person per night, it's one of the more efficient family setups in Lara without requiring multiple rooms. If you're looking for more privacy and direct pool access, the family swim-up suite stands out. These premium units are priced around $280 per person per night and are well-suited for longer stays or special occasions. The private terrace and swim-up design give guests the option to skip the busy pool areas entirely. If you're a parent, one of the most useful inclusions at Miracle Resort is the free daytime kids club. Not just a playroom, but a structured program that runs daily, giving children their own space and schedule while you take a proper break. For younger kids or evenings out, paid babysitting is available, making it easier to enjoy the resort without always being on duty. Couples and wellness-focused travelers can take advantage of yoga and fitness classes, included in the ultra all-inclusive rate. The resort's wellness services also include a Turkish bath, steam room, and sauna, all available without needing to book a full spa treatment. And if you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon, there's a quiet advantage to this resort. On-site staff can arrange private moments without the need for costly upgrades. Activities during the day include beach volleyball, archery, mini golf, and tennis, all included in the ultra all-inclusive rate. These aren't occasional add-ons. They run consistently, giving guests something active to do without needing to leave the property or pay extra. In the evenings, the resort hosts themed shows, live music, and outdoor performances, often in the amphitheater-style space near the main pool. The quality is solid for a resort of this size, with frequent costume shows and dance acts aimed at families, but still enjoyable for adults. It's not a party resort, but there's enough going on nightly that you won't feel the need to seek outside entertainment unless you want to. There's also a games room with billiards, table tennis, and arcade-style machines, which gives teens and older kids a place to unwind that isn't just screen time.
For quieter social time, the lobby bar and terrace areas stay active well into the evening and offer a relaxed setting to wind down. What stands out most about the food at Miracle Resort isn't just the variety, it's how easy it is to access quality meals without disrupting your day. The main buffet covers all meals and offers an impressive range of Turkish and Mediterranean dishes, with rotating themes that help break up repetition during longer stays. Portions are plated by staff, keeping the experience clean and efficient, even at peak hours. Between meals, poolside snack stations fill the gap with hot flatbreads, grilled meats, and ice cream, ideal for families who don't want to drag their kids back inside for a proper lunch. The dining spaces themselves are also well thought out. You're not confined to one large hall. Instead, there are dedicated areas for outdoor dining, quieter corners for couples, and kid-friendly sections that help keep the overall experience relaxed, especially during high season. While Miracle Resort is open year-round, it's important to know that some services are seasonal. The water slides, beach bar, and most outdoor snack stations only operate from April through October, and entertainment schedules are reduced during the winter months. However, if you're booking in the off-season, you'll still get the full all-inclusive dining and indoor amenities. Room upgrades, particularly the family swim-up suites, tend to book out months in advance, especially during school holidays. If that style of room is important to your stay, then secure it now using the link below at the discounted rate. The resort's atmosphere strikes a middle ground. Daytime music around the pool and nightly entertainment might not suit those looking for a totally tranquil retreat. Likewise, if you prefer ultra-modern design or recently renovated interiors, Miracle leans more traditional in style, which won't appeal to everyone. In my opinion, the Miracle Resort gives you more for your nightly rate than most 5-star beachfront properties in Antalya. What makes the pricing especially competitive is how well it works for different group sizes. Families of 4 to 6 can stay together in one suite and avoid the cost of booking 2 rooms. Solo travelers and couples can book smaller rooms at a lower per-person rate without losing access to the full experience. There are no surprise charges for food upgrades, no paid sports sessions, and no resort fee added at checkout. What you see is what you pay. And when you compare that to how quickly extras add up at other resorts, the overall value at Miracle is hard to beat. Miracle Resort is ideal for families who want everything in one place: food, beach, entertainment, and space to spread out, without having to constantly upgrade or adjust plans. If you're traveling with kids, the family-sized suites, and easy access to food make this a smart, stress-saving choice. It also suits couples who want structure without pressure. You can join a class, watch a show, or just sit by the beach without feeling like you're missing something. And if you're the type of traveler who values a smooth, no-hassle beach escape, Miracle delivers exactly what you need to unwind. Book your stay at the best price using the link below, or check out my playlist appearing on the screen now for alternative all-inclusive places to stay in Turkey.